Hello, little friends! Welcome to the vegetable garden. Today, we're going to meet some yummy, healthy vegetables. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi there, I'm Carrot. I'm orange and crunchy. I help you see better in the dark because I'm full of vitamin A. Do you like crunchy carrots?
Hello, I'm Tomato. I'm round, red and juicy. I'm great in salads and sandwiches. Can you say tomato?
Hi friends, I'm Broccoli. I look like a little green tree. I make you big and strong. Do you like broccoli?
Hello, I'm Potato. I can be mashed, baked or fried. I give you energy to run and play. What's your favorite potato snack?
Hi, I'm Corn. I wear a yellow coat and I'm super sweet. I'm yummy on the cob and in popcorn. Can you say corn?
Hello, I'm Eggplant. I'm purple and shiny. I'm soft and tasty when cooked. Have you seen me before?
Hi, I'm Cucumber. I'm long, green, and very cool. I help you stay fresh and healthy. Do you like cucumbers?
Hello, friends. I'm a pumpkin. I'm big and round, and I grow on vines. People love to make soups, pies, and even lanterns with me.
Hi there, I'm Lettuce. I'm soft, green, and I love to be in your salads and sandwiches. I help you stay healthy and fresh.
Wow! You met so many new vegetable friends today. Vegetables help you grow big, strong, and happy. Let's eat them every day. See you next time in the garden. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us again in the garden.